Excuse me, where's the nearest station?
Turn left at the traffic light.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, I need to get to the airport. Could you tell me the best way to get there?
Sure, I recommend taking the airport bus. It is just across the street.
Thank you. I was worried I might be late. Excuse me, where's the nearest ATM?
Walk straight, it's near the bank. It is right next to a coffee shop.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where's the nearest bus stop?
Go straight, cross the light, it's by the cafe.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, where's the bus terminal?
Go straight for 10 minutes. Turn left at the big roundabout. It is behind the shopping
Thank you
center.
very much.
Have a safe journey.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the nearest bank.
Walk straight down this street to the traffic light.
Thank you very much for your help. Excuse me, where's the clinic?
Go straight, then turn right. It is next to the pharmacy.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where is the main intersection?
Go straight past that supermarket and turn right at the coffee shop. It is right in front of the coffee shop at the corner.
Perfect, thank you for your help. Hey, glad you made it. Excuse me, where is the city hall?
I think I am totally lost now. Just go straight and turn left at the library.
Thank you, your directions are very clear.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit here.
Excuse me, where's the courthouse? I'm lost.
Walk straight ahead, turn right at the intersection. It is past the garden.
It is a large building. Thank you very much. Now I know where to go. Excuse me, where is the civil registry office?
Walk straight toward that large complex. It is past the garden. You can't miss it. It is very close.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks again.
Excuse me, where is the health center?
Go straight to the roundabout, turn right after the school. It is on your left.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Excuse me, where is the forest tourist area?
Just follow this road straight to the wooden gate.
That sounds amazing. Thank you so much. Excuse me, where's the local food stall?
Go straight for 200 meters, turn right at the market.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, where's the fire station?
Go straight, turn left at the light. It's behind the restaurant.
Thank you so much. Your directions are very easy to understand. Excuse me, where's the nearest toll gate?
Drive straight, turn right at the lights.
That's helpful. Thank you.
Drive safely.
Excuse me, where's the traffic light? Walk straight down this road. It is past that small restaurant. It's right by the convenience store. Perfect. Thank you so much. You are very welcome. Have a great day.
Excuse me, where's the town square? Go straight, turn left at the clock tower. It is right in front of City Hall.
That's wonderful.
Thank you. Enjoy your time here.
Excuse me, where's the market?
Walk straight, turn right after the bridge.
Great, thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Excuse me, where's the train station?
Go straight, turn right, and you will see it.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, where's the university campus? Go straight, turn left at the light. Perfect, thank you. Good luck. Excuse me, where is the registration office? Go straight until the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light. It is just after the repair shop. Great, thank you so much. You are very welcome. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, where is the police station?
Go straight, it's next to the park.
Thank you so much for your help.
Excuse me, where is the district office? Walk straight, then turn right at the intersection.
Perfect, thank you. You are welcome.
Excuse me, where's the school? It's very close. Walk straight down this road, turn right at the corner.
You will see the gate.
Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful day.
Have a nice day too.
Excuse me, where is the village office?
Go straight, cross the bridge. It's opposite the park.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Good morning.